related. Today's video I show you how to enable disable FN key. Why we want to disable FN key? Because if you work sometimes in a laptop, all keys not working because you type one things, it's come another things. For example, when you want to type ASDF, pardon me, ASDFZ, then semicolon LKJH, it comes wrong things. For example, again QWERT, then POIUY, so it comes the wrong way, wrong character. So how to fix it? You can fix it very easily. I show you the tips, so that's why you fix it. So you have to press down. For example, in this case we have to first control plus shift plus numlock. Okay, you have to press at a time. So you have to type, you have to disable the FN key like that. Disable FN key like that. So I press down Control Shift and then numlock. Okay, so after that I enter, then I type again ASDFG semicolon LKJS. It's working fine now. Okay, you can do it another way to disable FN. Just numlock. You press the numlock. Press. Sorry about that. Press numlock. Just press numlock. It's disable FN. Is disable FN. So you can use the numlock. You can disable numlock. Just press the FN key, FN lock key as well. Okay. So I hope you can solve your problem like that. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.